talking about candle magic, and I'm going to be preparing a candle for an abundance spell. We're going to be talking about anointing the candle, dressing the candle. So the very first thing you want to do is select a candle color. So a color that represents the spell, the intention that you are wanting to manifest. Since I am doing abundance, prosperity, I chose green. And you're probably going to want to cut the wick. So I'm going to just take a pair of scissors and I'm going to trim the wick. Okay, so I trimmed it. And then you can put in some carvings. So you could write a word, a person's name, you could draw symbols. Today I'm going to put a rune symbol in my candle, and I chose the Theo, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, the Theo rune. And so I'm going to be drawing that into my candle. You can just take a pen and write it in the candle, but I actually use this little athame knife that I have. So I draw into my candles using this, but you can use whatever you want, whatever really works. I could see maybe some wooden tools working for this. There's those, I forget what they're called. They're like cuticle sticks, I think, for your nails. That actually might work, now that I'm thinking about it, or maybe a nail file. But I use this, so that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so I wrote, I hope you can see that, my Theo rune symbol on my candle. And already I just feel the power, just feel the magic energy coming on. The next thing I am doing is I am selecting oil, a certain oil that represents my intention that I have. So I chose frankincense. And so I am going to then anoint my candle. So I'm going to place the oil around my candle. You can make a blend of oils or buy a blend of oils. So you can buy oils that say like love oil mixture or money oil mixture, that sort of thing. But I'm just using the one frankincense. So depending on your intention, you're going to put the oil on differently. So if you are banishing something, you want to do it so it's going away. Okay, like this from the middle. And if you are bringing something in, which I am, so abundance, prosperity, I want to be going towards the middle like this. Like I'm bringing something in. I'm just going to drop some of this onto my hand and bring it in around my candle. And then you can take some herbs and put it on your candle. So yet again, depending on what your intention is, I have just some kitchen cinnamon here. I'm just gonna place that around my candle, just a little bit here. So now I have dressed my candle. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to empower and cleanse this candle. So I am going to use some Reiki healing upon this candle, and I'm going to call in my spirit team. You can call in deities. So to cleanse the candle, so to cleanse the candle from all negativity, and then also charge the candle with energies from the spirit realm. So that's what I'm going to do now. So here's my candle. So here's my candle. Just going to do some Reiki. If you don't know Reiki, you can pray over your candle, chant over your candle. You can also do some sound using a singing bowl. All right, so now that I have cleansed and charged my candle, I'm going to light my candle. I'm going to shield myself, so you can do shielding by imagining a energy field bubble around you. Calling in for protection, you can do a circle. And then you want to envision and pray for your intention and it manifesting. So you can blow out your candle, or you can leave it lit until it expires and is completed. I like to light mine for a few days and continue praying, setting my intention, visualizing what I want to manifest. But it's all preference. And so what I did was I imagined getting these two jobs that I applied for. They're both part-time positions and I want them both. So I imagined getting those, and hopefully I can then do a side business on as well. So, which I think is very possible, because that is all about 40 hours. I can do that. But yeah, so that's how you do a candle magic spell.